Oh my goodness, Tron is make you millionaire. Absolutely, my friend. If you watch this 2-minute video, absolutely you never lost in a crypto market. Absolutely very good and very important video. Let's get started this brand video. I request you, my brother, before I get started this brand video, I request you to click out the subscribe button. If you subscribe this channel, you never lost, because if you follow this channel is update you every time. And very good news, my friend, from all of you. To this time, Tron is moving upward. Absolutely crushful change occurred now, my friend. From last 24 hours, you can see here this time the last 24 hours is on the screen. 6.57% the price is going up, my friend. You can see here the price 0.14 USD dollar, my friend. What a big change occurred now, my friend, and this time in the price of Tron. Absolutely, what's the main reason, my friends? So they take a very good jump, especially the short-term investor. Long-term investor, they are also already, my friend, hold it, but especially the short-term investor is holding now. So therefore, my friends, they're going up like a rocket. Definitely, if the short-term investor is starting up holding, my friend, then they go in the moon. They give you very good profit. So kindly hold it, don't sell it. I hope, my friends, they go in the moon. You can say, my friend, what's the prediction after this short fail, my friends? They take a very good jump, and after this fail, my friend, you can see here they again jumping now, my friend. So it's mean to upcoming times they move upwards. So kindly hold it, because the price is increasing now in upcoming times. So kindly hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profits just a very short time, my friend. So they make you millionaires. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Thank you so much, everybody. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.